Hi, I'm Sharon Banks Williams.
And I'm Vasiliki Tsigas-Fotinas.
Both of us are graduates from Teachers College, and it was a blessing to be students here, and we continue to return for various sessions and workshops, and it's just indeed an honor. And we have many memories together because we started the program together, we became friends and everlasting friends as a result of being students here at Teachers College.
And I think above that, because the workshop that we had gone to before, we started creating community beyond our communities. And I think that's what, as leaders,
Yes.
That's more important than any other subject that we have to be talking about. So, community here at, how do we develop community at TC, in ed admin then, now it's ed leadership. We both had Fritz Yanni as our as
sponsor. And Gibran Majilani, whom we both love tremendously. And we miss them, and we really hope that they'll be able to see this video because it was because of their love and commitment to excellence that allowed us to not only graduate out of the program, but to develop a community within Teachers College and beyond.
And beyond.
Because as a result of that, our families, our friends, we've traveled
Together.
internationally together, and we're sisters together as a result of our community that we developed here at Teachers College.
Okay. So now some of the stories. Fritz Yanni, when he was stuck in Italy and he couldn't be in class, and he then used the technology, then videotaped his lesson by a fountain at the university there and sent it to Gibran. Gibran put it on a TV set, and that was our lecture for the day via the TV set.
And then we have another story where we had the holiday parties, and I have two children, Bajan Williams and Shay Williams, and studying for the doctorate, I had my notes on tape. And because they would ride around the cars from various activities, we went to a holiday party, and my children were able to recite Popewitz and many other theorists because that's all they heard in the car. So they went to this holiday party, and Popewitz said. So it was just a delight, truly a delight.
And we missed those holiday parties because we would come back as alumni as well. And I noticed the difference at our holiday parties with the wine, the international singing and songs,
And
versus
international foods.
and
that we
international
all-
foods we'd all bring in and share with one another, versus my brother who was in New Jersey at Rutgers, and they would have their beer fraternity parties. So that was the difference there.
So we're happy to celebrate the tradition for tomorrow here at Teachers College, and we're honored to be a part of today.